May na so mga taga DepEd na arog ko kung mga arog kading lay adi so mga sa nading latest na timos adi galin sa Salvacion Elementary School Baaw Corteside ni Ma'am Sol. Tas sarayan ko talang talbo perme. Pagsasarayan ko kaya adi man adi palang 2023 kaibadi kaya sa adi mga pinapanaray ko from Masuli National High School Batu, okay, sa recognition rights ni 2023 adi naman mid-year in-service training sa Puhi High School Corteside ni Ma'am Marimin. Nalipat na pati si Ma'am Marimin nasa nasa Santa Justina High School Buhi. Adi lingaw na ako kung sari adi pero di ko na marumruman. Sana ako mag-comment sir sa iton ka na mo. Hindi ko marumruman kung sari ko di or sari adi kalin na corsage na adi. Diba? Pero malaka colorful. Corsage lay. This one from Balatan District. Kay Ma'am Julia Hornales. Kaya parang ko lately lang ni. This one from La Medalla Elementary School. La Medalla Elementary School. Principal sa tunguan si Ma'am Marjorie Irinio. Pigsasaray ko kaya inita mga unod to. Kundi minsan pag nakakawit malang talbo. This one ko December 23 lang ni. Sa Kuwadi sa Orion Hall Makagyang Business and Resort. Sa Araling Panlipunan Canabua East District. Baliktanaw at hakbang pasulong taunang pagtatasa at pagpaplano sa Araling Panlipunan. Nag-invite kadikan ako si Sir Reynald Hornales. This one di naman from Santa Justina Buhi. From Santa Justina Buhi in Buhi, Kamsod. Also this one dama na di ngaran. Lingaw rin ako kung sari ini. Di kaya ngaran. Sari rawati. Sana agawan magsabing sir sa duyan ka na mo galin from our school. Also this one Buhi South Division Saludo from Gabas Elementary School sa Buhi South. Tagabao principal sa to si Ma'am school head. This one kaiba pang nakakawit sa di mga lay. This one is the 38th ASEAN Council of Teachers plus Korea Convention. This was held in Bangkok, Thailand, September 6 to 8, 2024. Yan. And this was in 2024, September. Iniman na usad, ASEAN Council of Teachers plus Korea, Putrajaya, Malaysia. So, ini usad sa Malaysia. This the 37th ASEAN Council of Teachers plus Korea A+1 Convention. Malaysia, the other one is Thailand. Another lay, a Division Festival of Talents in Araling Panlipunan. This was held in Pinaglabanan National High School, Goa, courtesy of the principal, Ma'am Rosemary Miranya, and also the division coordinator in Araling Panlipunan for secondary. This one, Division Research Colloquium and awarding of completed basic research Action Research, November 5, 2024 in Capitol Complex. Another one, this is District Seminar Workshop on Gender and Development, GAD, November 7, 2024, Pinit Elementary School in Ocampo. Courtesy ito ni Sir Bayani Navarro, the one who invited me. And also, La Purisima Elementary School, Pili, courtesy ni Ma'am Oko, yung principal ng La Purisima. This was during the launching of the NLC or the National Learning Camp. Tapos, meron naman ditong District Symposium on Child Protection Policy, Anti-Bullying Law, and Safe Spaces Act, December 8 or November 8, 2024. Another one, ito naman from Baaw National High School in Baaw, Camarines Sur. Ano kayang okasyon nito? Only this year. Kasi di pa mga ano pa lang ito, mga latest na na mga lay. And also we have the Division Festival of Talents and Raling Panlipunan awarding ceremony in Onion Elementary School, Calabanga West District. And this one, first Grand Alumni Homecoming, Host Batch 2002. Saan kaya ito? Di ko maalala kung saang Alumni Homecoming, where I was invited to witness the Alumni Homecoming. So ito yung first batch. Ito yung mga latest na mga mga lay na bigay sa akin pag nagpupunta ako sa mga schools. Parang November, except ng 2023 na isama ata. Pero yung the rest ay mga na ngayon lang. So, turuan nyo ako kung paano mag-ayos na mayroon pa ring value as a remembrance mula sa ating mga schools. That's all. Thank you.